Pasta, what do you say? How do you say the stuff, the brown stuff? What's the brown stuff called?
Brown stuff?
Yeah, in the beginning you put some brown stuff.
Olive?
No.
With the water.
Yeast.
Yeast?
Yeast.
Like the holiday?
No. This is the yeast for raise the pasta.
Not like Easter with the Easter bunny?
No. It's the Easter bunny. The Easter bunny I like to eat. Easter bunny I like to eat with the polenta.
Is Orsara on the east side or the west side of Italy?
It's the south side.
So wait, so it's yeast with a Y in the front.
East. Up east. But this is not up east. This is east. O crescendo. Questo si fa o crescendo.
What? So yeast with a Y. Yeast.
West.
So you know that word is yade, right? Or something like that?
Yay. What's yay?
Yade, the wheat.
Yate?
Yeah.
Yate, it's the sweet char.
Oh, that. Yeah, so say yeast.
Yeast.
No!
Yeast.
Oh!
Yeast.
That's awesome. You got it.
Yeast.
That's how you say it.
Yeast, but I say east.